Hi, we're here at SLA Equipment, Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x18 gooseneck equipment trailer. This trailer does have a gooseneck hitch, as well as our safety chains. There is a 12,000-pound jack at the front, along with your chain basket. This trailer has pressure-treated wood flooring, as well as stake pockets and tie-down points along the sides of your equipment trailer. This trailer comes with two 7K Dexter axles on 16-inch wheels and rims. This is a dovetail equipment trailer that comes with 5-foot stand-up loading ramps, as well as an 8-inch I-beam frame. There is also diamond plate heavy-duty fenders and LED brake lights on this equipment trailer. There is a full breakaway system. Once again, this is a 7x18 gooseneck equipment trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.